To become a Dasher and start making money by delivering food with DoorDash. Follow these steps. First, download the DoorDash Dasher app from the App Store and create an account. You will need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. Next, choose your availability and schedule. You can choose to dash at any time and for as long as you want, making it easy to fit into your existing schedule. Once you have chosen your schedule, you will start receiving delivery opportunities. When you receive a delivery opportunity, you will see the pickup and drop-off locations, the estimated earnings, and the estimated time it will take to complete the delivery. If you accept the delivery, navigate to the pickup location using the app's directions. At the pickup location, go inside and let the staff know you are there to pick up a DoorDash order. They will hand you the order and you can verify it is correct using the app. Once you have the order, navigate to the drop-off location using the app's directions. When you arrive at the drop-off location, knock on the door and hand the order to the customer. Make sure to be friendly and courteous, as customer service is a key part of being a successful Dasher. After the delivery is complete, you will receive a notification and your earnings will be updated in the app. To maximize your earnings, consider dashing during peak hours, such as lunch and dinner times, and in high-demand areas. You can also increase your earnings by providing excellent customer service and maintaining a high rating. Additionally, be sure to follow all safety guidelines and best practices, such as wearing a seatbelt, following traffic laws, and keeping your phone charged. By following these steps and tips, you can become a successful Dasher and start making money by delivering food with DoorDash.